Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to check the total hard disk space on your Windows 11 computer. This help you find out how much storage PC has, how much space is being used and how much is still available. So let's get started. So firstly open File Explorer. Here you will see in the left sidebar, click on this PC. Now view total hard disk space under device and drivers. You will see your driver listed. Below each drive, Windows shows like 301 GB total and 86.8 GB free, 51.8 GB and 49.7 free, 121 GB total and 120 GB free. To see the total size, right click the driver and select properties like this and click on properties. Here you will check driver capacity. In the properties window, you will see used space in bytes 575 MB, free space 120 GB, and capacity 121 GB. The capacity value shows the total storage available on the drive. Also, you can select all three and click on three dots and select properties. Here you will see each drive capacity and used space. That's it. Now you know how to check the total hard drive space in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.